what can I do with my Infinity tokens? First of all, your Infinity token is the proof that you've contributed your 3 hours towards a One Small Town initiative, whether it's one of the businesses or the community upliftment projects. The token represents that you've contributed 3 hours of labor, and therefore the value of that token is easily definable, and we can determine the value and the growth of the token over the years and months to come. But what can you do with the token? Well, first of all, you're going to go to the One Small Town Superstore at the end of the month and get your basket of goods. Whatever food we grow, whatever technology we create, whether it's fridges or laptops or nail clippers or bicycles, doesn't matter. It's going to be food and milk and bread and everything. So at the end of the month, you're going to go to the One Small Town store, and we will be launching the stores as the One Small Town initiative grows. We're going to have to launch the stores because as we start creating and growing stuff, we're going to have to put it somewhere. And the One Small Town Superstore will become the depository of everything that we grow as the One Small Town community and that we grow and manufacture. So at the end of the month, every one of our members will go, and one of their tokens will be deposited to return as proof that they received their basket of goods. So in essence, you're not paying with your token for the things you're getting. It's just proof that you received your goods. And again, we got to be very careful to use the word pay, because we don't want to start looking like we're creating an alternative currency. We know what we're doing. We understand what we're doing. It's a community token that represents 3 hours of labor. And one of those tokens will be the token that you donate to prove that you received your basket of goods. So that's what you'll do with one of your tokens. The rest of your tokens will be in your digital wallet. And you can send those tokens or share those tokens with anyone you want who is a One Small Town member who has a digital wallet. So you can send those tokens free of charge. If you want to send it to your family or siblings or spouses or friends or family around the world, you can do that. Or you can do a deal with somebody that, you want to buy a house or buy a car, or you want to go and live somewhere or rent a place by the sea in Croatia. Who knows? If you want to go on holiday. So you can make a deal with somebody. Say, well, I'll send you, 100 tokens or 1,000 tokens, and you get the rental of a place. So there'll be all kinds of exchanges that'll be happening between One Small Town members around the world. And those exchanges will grow and grow and grow and grow. We don't even know where this is going to go. But those are going to be private exchanges between two individuals that have agreed on something. So I can, for example, sell you my car, and you send me, 1,000 tokens, and I simply transfer the car into your name. And it's that simple. And nobody knows that I've transferred the tokens to you into your digital wallet. So our members will have the capacity to privately share and send or sell their tokens through their digital wallet with any other member with an existing digital wallet. These are all the things you can do with your tokens, with your digital wallet. And this applies to the Infinity token and any other future token that we create and make available.